Hiya YouTubers, this is Superman G coming back at you one more again. And in this video I want to talk to you about a screwdriver set that I found online that may help you working on anything from tablets to phones to computers, even eyeglasses. Now most tool driver sets are big, they're heavy, it's kind of hard to find the right tool for really the small things. This set I found online, I don't think I was even looking for it. I just happened to be just scanning online looking for, just trying to see what was on sale or just see what catches my eye. And this tool set caught my eye and I was like, well, that looks like something that I already have, except for it actually is something that I do not have. So I'm going to bring up the website of where I found it at. So here I am at Amazon.com, and this is the page on where I found a screwdriver. And I believe it's pronounced GOCHEER or GOCHEER. I think it's GOCHEER, I'm not sure. But it comes with a variety of tools. Right now they're just showing you in this picture about how you can go about prying apart a smartphone. To remove the small parts, the top of it, the glass of it, and they also have it to where you can also use it for multiple uses of multiple devices. Some of these are parts to it, bits, the screwdriver itself, which is magnetized as well. This is the case that it comes in with all the parts that are included with it. And it comes in silver and black, which isn't available, and it also has the color blue, black and blue, and it also has black and red, and they're $18.99. And with that, I'm going to show you the box itself and show you what the inside of the case comes with. So here's the case, and it's not big or heavy or anything like that, but shows us 115 tools in one screwdriver set by GOCHEER. And on the side of it, it shows that it comes in 4 different colors, although we only saw 3 and only 2 were available. And on this side we have the tools and the bits that are included in the box or the case. So at this point I'm going to open up the box and see what's in it. First, we'll get rid of this plastic bag that's covering it, and this is actually a magnetic mat for screwdrivers, so you don't lose them. And open it up, it's two-sided or double-sided. We have the instruction booklet, or the booklet that shows you what is actually inside of the case. And you have your 98 bits or screwdriver bits. And if you open up the booklet, it has all the parts listed in different languages. There's English, there's Spanish, there's French, there's Italian, there's Dutch, and I believe that's Chinese, Japanese. Next is a picture of all the drivers and hand tools that are included in the case. We have the screwdriver itself that has a magnetic tip on the front and then a swivel point on the end. Very lightweight. Next, there's the flexible extension shaft that also has a magnetic tip on the front. Very flexible, again, very lightweight. This is one of 3 opening picks that you have with this set. This is number 2 of the opening picks. This is an extension bar that can plug into the flexible extension shaft, give you a little more room to turn things with. These are tweezers for picking up small screws and the like in case you drop them. This is number 3 of the opening picks. This is the suction cup that has a SIM card removal tool at the end of it. This can be very handy for working on cell phones or tablets even. Now we're going to turn it over and find out what is on the other side of the case. Here we have a magnetizer demagnetizer. You've seen me use this before in my videos. Then we have these plastic pry tools. There's probably about 6 of these in here. They're more like picks for prying open the glass on a cell phone or even a tablet or something of that nature, but they're pretty handy. And then these are the bits themselves, and as you can see, there are a lot of them. They're different sizes, primarily for uses of small repairs, cell phones, tablets, even laptops. And that concludes this review of the GOCHEER 115-in-1 screwdriver set. I'll leave a link in the video description to this driver set if you're interested. So I hope you all enjoyed this. You all take care, be safe, peace out.